Hi, my name is Tran and I'm from group 10. So I'm gonna demonstrate how to restore Active Directory from directory services restore mode, which can be called shorted DSRM. So here is the domain controller, which I'm gonna restore, and I'm gonna show you some OU here, that some OU organizational units that we have been created before consist of computers or workstations and servers, some servers and some group and some user. And then I'm gonna delete all to make it empty. Okay, then close it. So now I'm gonna go to Windows Server Backup. Here is so there's one copy for the backup because I have already created one backup. Then I'm gonna recover it. So there is only one option for me. So next. And I want to choose system state and select perform an automated restore of Active Directory files. And then next, it's gonna show an error because this only works in directory services restore mode, DSRM. So we need to boot the machine into DSRM in order to perform this. So click OK and close this. I'm gonna open run. And then open msconfig. So here I'm gonna leave the normal stuff here and go into the boot, select save boot and select Active Directory repair. Okay, before I'm gonna click apply, I'm gonna close all the windows and wizard here. And then apply and OK. It will prompt me to restore it. So I'm gonna click restore it to put the machine into the DSRM mode. Hence I will be disconnected from the remote desktop. And here's the machine is restarting. Okay, so now it's restarted. Okay, I'm gonna show that I'm trying to log into the domain here. It shows that I cannot log into the domain because I'm in the DSRM mode now, so the domain is inaccessible now. So I have to log into my local credential. Then you can see that it's in the safe mode now, which is DSRM now. Okay, you can see that all the services in the server manager is down. They are all down now because they are in the safe mode now. So I'm gonna go to the Windows Server Backup. Okay, I'm gonna show the details of the backup here. And this is the backup that I'm gonna use to restore the Active Directory now. Okay, click recover. Next here, system state, and click this. It will show the warning that this recovery option will cause all replicated content on the local server to resynchronize after recovery. So it just give a warning. I'm just gonna click OK for this and then recover. And then it show a warning again that this cannot be paused as cancel when it's hard started, and that I still choose yes. I want to continue. And it shows the progress that is been covering now. It also shows the status here with item decryption here, and how much order is gonna be transferred. Okay, now it's show at completed, that the computer must be restarted to complete the recovery system. So I'm gonna restart the machine now. Okay, so according to my timer, it takes about 15 minutes to fully recover it. I'm gonna log in to my domain again. Okay, now I can log into my domain again. Now all servers should be on again, and the internet is back. Okay, now it's all on. And then I'm gonna go to Active Directory user and computer here and see all the users and groups and computers have been recovered. And now let's go to Windows Server Backup. Okay. So you can see here the system state recovery have been successful. Actually, I have tried twice to make sure that it been successful or not. So yeah, and that's all for me today. Thank you for your watching, and we will see you again soon. Bye now.